let's see how to convert your website traffic visitors into leads on Facebook Messenger. So let's start with an example over here. So here this is a website about the trading. So here they have a link or button right here which says join the group now, and it's also say it's free. So let me click on that particular link and see what happens. So it will actually take them directly to the Facebook Messenger right here. As you can see here, the Messenger is loading. So this is the Facebook page, but I'm on the Messenger, and if I tap on this button, copy my trades are free, click here. So there is also a button shows up as well. So let me click on this button and see what happens. So it should actually start sending us messages over here, and as you can see here, it simply send this sort of messages asking the customer's location. So the first option is Canada, and it's the second one is rest of the world. So let me choose rest of the world over here and see what happens. And here we received a message with some links over here, and they also send the voice notes as well. So let's see how you can actually build this sort of thing to build audience on your Facebook as well. So here I'm in a demo icon right here, and we already have connected a Facebook page right here. So this is the page we connected right here. So let me show that page as well. So here let me actually copy this link to show you which the Facebook page over here. So let me open Messenger again and paste this. So here this is the Facebook page connected on our demo icon, and now as you can see, we only see the get started button. So if you want to set the button like this, copy my trades are free, click here, we can do that. So let me show how to do that over here. So here I'm in the demo account, and we already have the Facebook page connected as well. So let's use one of the free template which actually helps customers to join the Facebook group. So here let me go to the flows section and choose all free templates, and here let's choose this one, promote a Facebook or school group template. So what I can do here is that I can simply duplicate this one and use it just for the Facebook Messenger demo right here. So I just FB Messenger promote a Facebook group, and let me delete all other things as well, and let me actually rename this one right here. So this is a flow we have in the free template, and I just duplicated right here and rename this one as well. So let me open this particular flow and show you what we have right here. So here it simply asks them if they would like to join or if they would like to take their coaching skills to next level and join the free Facebook group, and if they say yes, we actually ask them for their email right here, and after that we actually provide them link to join as well. But likewise you can actually build any sort of lead qualification questions as well. For example, they have 2 questions right from asking for the location, so likewise also you can do that right here, but simply I'm going to use this one right here. So here this is about expert coach program group. All right, so this is the group. So here let me publish this one, and here let me go to the settings over here. So in settings, choose channels Facebook Messenger, and here you have the option to set the conversation starters. So let me actually delete all the conversation starters over there and start from scratch. So let me click on edit over here. So here you can actually add whatever the message you want to have, and you can select the flow. So here we can select the flow, which is the Facebook FB Messenger promote Facebook group, which is the duplicate of the template we just created right here. And you can also add whatever the message you want to have here as well. So let me say expert group. So let's say join free expert group program group, and here you can also add emojis as well, so that will actually increase the click rates as well. So let me actually add an emoji over here. So let me simply copy this rocket emoji over here and paste it right here. All right, let me add it. So we have added this conversation start over here and click save. All right, so that's we have just set up the conversation starters over here. So now the next step is to generate a link. So because the particular person actually clicked this particular button and opened that particular conversation in Messenger and continue over there, so we have to actually generate a link, Messenger link, which can actually start the conversation on Messenger. So what you can do here is that here you have this Facebook Messenger promote Facebook group flow. So here you can actually choose get published link, and here we want to run this automation through Messenger. So in this case, let me choose Messenger over here and copy the link. So the link has been copied now. So now if I paste that specific link, or let me show how that particular links look like. So let me actually add a note over here and show you how this particular link actually looks like. So let me paste that link I just copied. So this is how the link looks like. So what you have to do here is that you have to simply add a button on your website and simply add this link to that particular button. So when someone clicks on this particular link, it will take them directly to the Facebook Messenger right there. So let me show how this actually works over here. So let me copy this link and let me open in a new tab over here and paste it. So what happens, so imagine I clicked on a button on a website and it simply opened this particular Facebook Messenger, and as you can see here it says join free expert coach program group, simple as that. So if I tap on this one, it will simply start sending us messages asking if they would like to join from there. And as you see, this is the benefit of the joining, so they can choose whatever the options. So let me choose yes, and from here it will simply ask them to provide the email address. So as you can see here, the email address, it's simply populating from the Facebook itself. So they don't need to actually type their email address. They can simply tap on this email address and provide it right away. So let me just tap on this email address and provide the email address, and after that it will actually provide them a link to join that particular Facebook group right there. As you can see, if they tap on this button, it will take them directly to the Facebook group right there, and whatever the conversation happened right here can be tracked on this omnichannel inbox as well. So if we go to the inbox over here, we can see the conversation just happened on the Messenger. So here it says Messenger over here, and this is the profile, and as you can see, this particular person has provided this particular email as well. So from here you have the option to trigger any sort of email marketing campaigns, because we already collected the email as well. So if you collect their phone number, you can also trigger any sort of SMS marketing campaigns as well. So within this particular flow itself, we have this particular email as well. So this particular email will be sent to that particular customer as well. So that's a quick video on how you can actually convert your website traffic to Facebook Messenger leads. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.